Everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can download Google Drive onto your Windows PC. So the best way to do this is what we're going to do is once we're on our home page, let me just be able to show you guys. So let's like that. As you can see my taskbar right now. I have the Gmail app right here. What we're going to do is open up our Google Chrome browser, choose the account we want our Google Drive in. From there, what we're going to do is we're going to write Google Drive. And as you can see, Google Drive website. Google Drive is a file and storage and synchronization service developed by Google, launched on April 24, 2012. Google Drive allows users to store files in the cloud, synchronize files across devices, and share files. Basically, your typical Google Drive. You can also do this with Gmail. If you would like to know how to do this with Gmail as well, be sure to check out our previous video, as it's basically the same thing for Gmail. So yeah, to begin, we're going to open up the Google Drive sign in to Google Drive link, and it should bring us to our drive. From there, what we're going to do is, as you can see, I have multiple stuff here. You can go to computers, I have a lot of stuff here. So what I'm going to do from here is just simply press on right click, go to more tools, press on create shortcut, then from there press on OK. You can change the name if you want to. I'm going to press create. From there, it's been created, so I'm just going to right click on it and press on pin to taskbar. Go to my drive now. Everything works, so I'm going to close this. And now we have the Google Drive logo here, as you can see. So I can close out of this, and whenever I want to access Google Drive, I just press on this, and it brings me to Google Drive. So there you have it. That is how to access Google Drive. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy, make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget that bell icon so you don't miss any of Growmore Tech tutorials. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.